Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to study for science exam in one day, updated. Start by listing the top 5 topics and rank them by likely exam weight. Use 25-minute focused sprints and 5-minute breaks to maintain energy. Prioritize problems and diagrams over rereading entire chapters. Keep water nearby and predictable snacks ready to prevent hunger disruptions. End with a 30-minute active review of formulas and core concepts. Use active techniques that force retrieval and application rather than passive reading. Explain each concept aloud in simple terms and solve representative problems under timed conditions. Create quick flashcards for formulas, units, and definitions, and cycle them every 30 minutes. When stuck, sketch a labeled diagram to visualize relationships. Keep sessions goal-oriented and end each block by summarizing what you mastered and what needs another review. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful study strategies. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle. It fits in most bags and has an easy straw for sipping during study sprints. Check the description for the link and other deals to make study life simpler and more organized. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In the final hour, concentrate on recall, not learning new topics. Review key formulas and common pitfalls. Spend 20 minutes doing a mixed set of problems to simulate exam pacing and identify weak edges. Use the last 10 minutes to relax, breathe, and hydrate, avoiding heavy meals right before testing. Trust your checklist, organize materials, and enter the exam with a clear, calm plan for tackling questions efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.